With the dimple gardens, I have a long-term vision. Already the soil there is better than other spots, even though it's fairly poor, because it's at the bottom of one of the steepest places in the land, and so all that the extra moisture comes down the slope, and of course nutrients have been coming down there for a long time. With the chicken manure and the rabbit manure, we're going to be able to improve the soil a lot. The ultimate goal with it, though, is to have a food forest garden there that has multiple stories, and so light comes in through pockets. We've got some places that are exposed to full sunlight, some that are in full shade, and we've got a lot of types of fruit trees growing there. It's possible, it would be pretty amazing if we could use cob walls to make courtyards, and we could have, for example, rabbits and chickens live in a courtyard for a year, and then move on to another courtyard which had food ready for them to eat. So they would just plow right through it. Now that courtyard that has all the new fertilizer in it that they've deposited could be immediately planted with things that are really like nitrogen-rich soil. So your nitrogen-loving plants could be planted there. The next year you plant kind of mid-range plants, and then the next year you plant food for the chickens and rabbits. Those chickens and rabbits are introduced into that courtyard. So you've got a 4-year cycle in these courtyards. I've not tried that yet, but I can't imagine why it would be a problem. Rather than growing things and moving them to the other system that you want to have it, like food for the rabbits, for example, you just grow it for them and then let them in there. It's not a perfect solution, but I'm pretty sure that it'll be a good start on a way to raise animals in courtyards that rotate through the years.